Hello everyone and welcome to Full Stack Devlogs. Today this topic is basically for beginners. Obviously that if you are a beginner and want to learn a Node.js and you don't know much about JavaScript, that's fine. We are going to do a basic of juggling with JavaScript by learning Node.js. So what is Node.js? By this time you might be having that glimpse of it, that it's a JavaScript runtime. It's a library, and which is basically running based on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So which means that the JavaScript engine right now, this is the Chrome browser that I'm using. And if you will see, let me open the DevTools. So this is the developer tool, and here we can see the magic that just by typing console.log, which is a JavaScript syntax for printing any message, you might be knowing, or if not knowing, then this is the time you know it, that to do hello or to say just system.out.print as you do in Java, if you want to do that thing in JavaScript, it's console.log, and here you can say hello world and welcome to Full Stack Devlogs, right? And we see it. So we will see that how this is working and how this JavaScript engine has been taken can be taken to our local machine by using Node.js. So Node.js can run anywhere, like on a local machine, on a server. It can run on a cloud or wherever you want. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe so that I am like motivated. I know that how many number of people are actually watching me, and so that you don't miss each and every content that I keep on posting every week. So please do subscribe, and let's move on to installing Node.js. So the first step will obviously be downloading it. So the current version right now as I make the video is 15.13. So let's take it. It gives me a package file, and I will just run the installer. And we see that it's installed. You can note down the path or copy it somewhere if you want, that where the files are actually. Now how to verify that it's installed and running on my machine. So to do that, we can simply say node -v, and we will say that the version 15.13.0 is there. And now we will see that how we can run the terminal of Node, the Node CLI command line interface. So every programming language or every library has its own command line interface. You might be knowing this, or if no, then this is the command line interface we are going to see right now. So we invoke it by just saying node, welcome to Node, it says, and type .help for more information. Let's see what it gives you. And you see that these are the ways you can start using some of the commands of Node.js already. So let's try to see the same command that we used on Chrome DevTools, and here we will see that we can use the same JavaScript here also, right? So that's the magic. And now let's move on and see how we can start playing on Node.js projects, which will be the server-side JavaScript. Let's see now. So now let's create a project related to Node.js so that we can try testing that how we work with it and how the magic goes. So let's do it. So let's create a folder first. Let's name it Full Stack Devlogs Node.js examples. or just full stack devlogs Node.js. Let's not make it very lengthy. And now we can cd onto it. Let's create a file called app.js. Okay, and we can see that the file is created. Yeah, the file is here. Now let's open this project full stack devlogs Node.js in your favorite IDE. Mine is Visual Studio Code. Let's try to open. Yeah, so it's there. Here's my file. Let's try creating a function right away. Let's make a greeter. And let's say, hello friends, I am Nodejs. And now let's call this function in this file. And now it's time to run this. So we can just say node space the file name app.js, and it will say, yes, hello friends, I am Nodejs. So that's it. We are done here for this part, and wait and watch for the next part where we go to different level of topics of working with JavaScript in Node.js. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.